Exercise 8.3 question 1. Which is greater? So from given decimals we have to find which number is greater. So what is the rule? First of all we have to see whole part. If whole part is same, then we will see next tens parts. So let us find decimals greater value. First question is 0.3 or 0.4. So from 0.3 and 0.4, 0.3 and 0.4 have their whole parts equal, because what is whole parts, students? Point before values. So here both zeros are equal. So first we will write 0.3 and 0.4 have their whole parts equal. So from comparing the tens digit, so what is the tens digit? 3 and 4. So comparing tens digits, tens digit is 3 and 4. So from 3 and 4, which number is lesser? 3 is lesser. So 3 is less than 4. Therefore, children, we get 0.3 less than 0.4. But what is asked in question? Which is greater? Therefore, 0.4 is greater. Next question, 0.07 and 0.02. Now, first of all, 0.07 or 0.02 is question. Or, here or is there. So, first we will write 0.07 and 0.02 have their whole parts are equal or not equal? Equal, because point values before point is 0, which is equal. So have their whole parts equal. Now tens digits also equal. 0 and 0 is there. So whole parts and tens digits also same. So tens digits same. Now so comparing, so for comparing which digit we are going to see? For comparing hundreds digits, there hundreds digits. So at 100 digits, which value is there? 7 and 2. 7 is greater than 2. Therefore, 0.07 is greater than 0.02. Therefore, 0.07 is greater. So what is the rule, students? First of all, we will find whole parts. If whole parts are same, then we will see next part, that is tens part, that is 0 are same. So 100 parts we have seen. Same. Next question, 3 or 0.8. Now from 3 or 0.8, 3 and 0.8 have their whole parts different. Why different, students? Because values before point, here is 0 and here is 3, which is whole parts. So here 3 is greater than 0. Therefore 3 is greater than 0.8, because whole number 3 is greater. Whole part 3 is greater. Therefore 3 is greater. Next question, D, 0.5 or 0.05. Now 0.5 and 0.05 have their whole parts equal. Have their whole parts equal. Why equal? Because here values before points are 0. Now we will see next digit, that is their tens digits. So comparing tens digits. So comparing tens digits, which values are there? One number, there is 5 and one is 0. So comparing tens digits, 5 is greater than 0. Therefore 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Therefore which value is greater? 0.5 is greater. Next number 1.23 or 1.2. So first of all, whole parts are 1 and 1 both sides, hence it is same. So we will write 1.23 and 1.2 have their whole parts equal. They have their whole parts equal. So and tens part also 2 is there, and here also 2 is there. So and that tens digits are same, and their tens digits are same. So two place value digits are same, whole part as well as tens digits. So what we will compare? Which place value? 3. So comparing 3. So which place value? We will compare hundreds place value, not 3. We will compare hundreds place value. So comparing hundreds digit, 3 is there here. Here nothing is there, means 0. 3 is greater than 0. Therefore 1.23 is greater than 1.2, and therefore 1.23 is greater. Next number is 0.099 or 0.19. So first of all, whole parts are same. Then we will see next digits, that is tens digit. Tens digit, here it is 0 and here 1. So we will compare tens digits. So first of all, we will write 0.099 and 0.1 have their whole parts equal. So comparing tens digits. So which digits we will compare? Tens digit. So that is what here? Here is 0, here is 1. So 0 is less than 1. Therefore 0.099 is less than 0.19. So which value is greater? Therefore 0.19 is greater. Next question is 1.5 or 1.50. So here whole parts are same or different? Same, because values before points are 1 and 1. And tens digit if we say, then also it is same or not? Here also 5 and 5 is there. And here after 1.5 nothing is there, so 0. So 1.5 is same as 1.50. So these both values are equal. Now let us write this. First of all, students, 1.5 is same as 1.50, because we make tens digit. Here is tens digit. If we make tens digit, then we need to write 0. Therefore 1.5 is equals to 1.50. So both the decimal numbers are equal. Here we cannot find greater or smaller value. Question number H, 1.431 or 1.490. Now both the digits have their whole parts same, 1 and 1. Then if we see compare tens digits, then also both the digits have tens digit, 4 and 4 same. Now if we see hundreds digit, the hundreds digit here is 3 and here is 9. So 3 is less than 9. So first of all, 1.431 and 1.490 have their whole parts and their tens digits equal, have their whole parts and tens digits equal. So both the digits are equal. So comparing which digits? Hundreds digits. Comparing hundreds digits. So hundreds digits, which number is that? 3. 3 is less than 9. Therefore 1.431 less than 1.490. Therefore, which value is greater? 1.490 is greater. Next number is 3.3 or 3.30. First of all, whole parts are same and tens digits are same. Both the decimals 3.3 is equals to 3.300. So here also, like above example, 3.3 is same as 3.300. Therefore 3.3 equals to 3.300. Therefore both the decimal numbers are equal. Next question is 5.64 or 5.603. So 5.64 and 5.64 and 5.603 have their whole parts. Whole parts are equal because 5 and 5 is there. Have their whole parts and their tens digits also equal because 6 and 6 there, and their tens digits equal. Now students, we will compare which digit? So comparing 100 digits. So comparing hundreds digits. So hundreds digit is what? Here 4 is there and here at hundreds digit is zeros. Therefore 4 is greater than 0. Therefore 5.64 is greater than 5.603. Therefore which value is greater? 5.64 is greater. Question number 2. Make 5 more examples and find the greater number from them. Now students, we have to make 5 more examples and we have to find same method greater number. So first example, let us take by our own. We have to find 0.5 or 0.9. So first of all, we will write 0.5 and 0.9 have their whole parts equal. Here we get whole parts equal, that is 0, 0, no? The whole parts equal. There, so comparing which digit? Comparing tens digit. So we will write here, so comparing tens digits, and tens digits, which number is there? 5. 5 is less than 9. Therefore 0.5 is less than 0.9. Therefore which number is greater? 0.9 is greater. Let us take one more example because 5 examples we have to find. 12.6 and 11.8. Here whole parts are only different. So 12.6 and 12.6 or 11.8. 12.6 and 11.8 have their whole parts different. Have their whole parts different, and that is what? That is 12 is greater than 11. Therefore, 12.6 is greater than 11.8, and therefore 12.6 is greater. Next example we will take. Next example number 3, 1.37 or 1.34. Here whole parts and tens digits are same. We will compare hundreds digits. So we will write here 1.37 and 1.34 have their whole parts and tens digits equal. So children, we will compare. So comparing hundreds digits. Comparing which digits? Hundreds. So if we compare hundreds digits, we will get 7 greater than 4. Therefore 1.37 is greater than 1.34, and therefore 1.37 is greater. Number 4, 2.01 or 2.001. 2.01 and 2.001 have their whole parts and tens parts digits same, and that is 2 and 0. 2 is 2, whole parts is same, and tens parts 0, 0 are same. Now comparing hundreds digits. So hundreds digit is 1 and 0. 1 is greater than 0. Therefore 2.01 is less than 2.001. Therefore 2.01 is greater. Number 5, 8.325 or 8.324. 8.325 and 8.324 have their whole parts tens digit and hundreds digits equal. So comparing thousands digits, 5 is greater than 4. Therefore 8.325 is greater than 8.324. Therefore 8.325 is greater.